How can I remove the previous owner's Apple ID from my Apple Watch?
Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the steps on how to remove the previous owner's Apple ID from your Apple Watch. This could be crucial if you've bought a second-hand watch or are simply helping a friend.
Why is removing the previous Apple ID important?
Before we start with the steps, let's discuss the importance of removing the previous owner's Apple ID. An Apple ID is linked to all Apple devices owned by a user, and it holds crucial data including personal info, payment details, and device settings. When you have a watch with another person's ID, you might not be able to use it to its full potential. You also respect their privacy by removing their data.
Pre-removal steps.
Before starting the removal process, ensure you have the watch and a connected iPhone at hand. 1. Contact the previous owner if possible and ask them to unpair the watch from their iPhone. This will automatically remove their Apple ID. 2. If you can't contact them, follow the steps in the next section to do it yourself.
Steps to remove the previous owner's Apple ID.
If the Apple Watch is still paired to the previous owner's iPhone, you'll need to erase all content and settings on the Apple Watch. 1. Keep the Apple Watch and iPhone close together. 2. Open the Apple Watch app on the iPhone. 3. Go to My Watch tab, then All Watches. 4. Tap on the info button next to the watch you want to unpair, then tap Unpair Apple Watch. 5. Enter the Apple ID password if asked. This is required to disable activation lock. If you don't have the previous owner's iPhone but have their Apple ID password, follow these steps on the Apple Watch. 1. Open Settings on the Apple Watch. 2. Go to General, then Reset. 3. Tap Erase all content and settings, then enter the Apple ID password. If you don't have access to the previous owner's Apple ID password, you should contact Apple support for further assistance. That wraps up our tutorial on how to remove the previous owner's Apple ID from an Apple Watch. We hope this guide has been helpful. Remember, it's essential to have the previous owner's Apple ID password for the process to be smooth. If you don't, get in touch with Apple support. Have a great day!